This is how to fix overheating issues on Razer Blade 16. So first is clean the vents. So you could use a compressed air to clear dust from the bottom intake and side exhaust vents because dust buildup restricts cooling. Another one is optimize surface and airflow. So always use the laptop on a hard flat surface or a cooling pad can significantly improve the airflow compared to a soft surfaces like bed. Another one is just simply adjust performance settings. So open Razer Synapse and switch to a balance or a battery saver mode when not gaming because this lowers CPU and GPU, which help reduce heat. Now, another one is make sure to keep the software and drivers updated because firmware and BIOS updates from Razer often include fan curve improvement and thermal optimization. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.